Ever felt like you're stuck in a never-ending cycle of apply, wait, rejected, or worse, ghosted by HR after 3 rounds of interviews? You're not alone. Millions of young adults, especially in their 20s, are grinding 9-to-5 jobs they hate just to barely afford rent, iced coffee, and overpriced Wi-Fi. But what if I told you you could make 500 plus every single month online, from your laptop, in your pajamas, with 0 fancy degrees? Yeah, sounds like a scam, right? But guess what? It's not. It's called freelancing. And if you learn the right skills, you can start earning from month 1. So grab your caffeine, silence those notifications, because by the end of this video, you'll know the top 5 freelance skills that can literally change your life. Skill 1. Content writing. Think you need to be the next Shakespeare to get paid for writing? Nope. If you can write emails, tweets, or even explain things clearly to your friends, you're already 70% there. Businesses desperately need people who can write blogs, social media captions, and website content. And here's the kicker. AI tools like ChatGPT can help you write faster. I personally know writers making $1,000 plus month just from blog posts and newsletters. Just learn the basics of tone, SEO, and formatting, and you're golden. Also, please, no. Hey guys, welcome to my blog intros. You're better than that. Skill 2. Video editing. You ever watch a YouTube video and think, this looks cool, I could never do that? Let me tell you a secret. That cool effect? It's probably a drag and drop preset. Video editing is high in demand right now, especially with YouTubers, TikTokers, course creators, and even startups. Learn tools like CapCut, Premiere Pro, get good at storytelling with music, timing, and emotion. And boom, you're earning $500 a month from your first 1-2 clients. Bonus tip. Offer short-form content, like Reels or Shorts. They're easier, quicker, and everyone wants them. The creator economy is exploding. If you're not part of it, you're getting left behind. Skill 3. Graphic design. Look, you don't need to be Picasso. You just need to make things look nice and scroll-stopping. Tools like Canva and Figma have made design beginner-friendly. Learn how to design YouTube thumbnails, Instagram carousels, logos, and lead magnets. Clients will pay $50 to $200 just for a thumbnail that helps get clicks. Pro tip. Pick a niche. Like, I make thumbnails for finance YouTubers. You'll attract more clients and look like an expert. And no, Comic Sans is not a personality. Skill 4. Virtual assistants. Can you reply to emails, schedule Zoom calls, organize someone's Google Drive chaos? Congratulations, you already have 80% of what it takes to be a virtual assistant. Founders, creators, and online entrepreneurs are begging for reliable VAs. You don't need deep tech skills. You need reliability, communication, and time management. $500 a month is just 3 to 4 clients paying you part-time. Totally doable. For every client you don't help, someone else is scooping them up on Upwork or Fiverr. Skill 5. Social media management. You're already on Instagram and TikTok all day. Might as well get paid for it, right? Brands and influencers need people to manage their content calendar, write captions, reply to DMs, and track engagement. Use tools like Buffer, Notion, and Canva to streamline everything. And here's the exciting part. You can scale from $500 a month to $3,000 plus just by adding a few more clients. Trust me, small businesses love hiring social-savvy Gen Zs. Alright, let's zoom out for a second. If you're between 20 and 30, this is your golden window to build skills that can make you money anywhere in the world. No boss, no degree, no soul-sucking cubicles, just you, your laptop, and the drive to learn something new. And remember, start with one skill. Practice like crazy. Get your first small gig, even if it's $20. Then scale up. You're just one DM, one portfolio, or one Upwork proposal away from your first freelance win. And the day you wake up to a PayPal notification that says $150 received, that's when it hits you. You're free. If this video sparked something in you, drop A in the comments and tell me which skill you're going to start with. And hey, don't just scroll away. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell, because next week, I'm dropping a full beginner guide on how to get your first client step by step. Remember, skills pay the bills. See you in the next one, freelancer.